hotel lobby that we had stayed in. I had a roommate for the trip, but she did not show up for the boutique retreat, so I had a whole room to myself. Can't beat that. I decided to drop my bags off because check-in wasn't until 3, and I came and got this delicious food. Look at it. It's just, oh my god, it was so good. I could taste it through the video. Girl just ate good, but I have the time of my life, and I owe it all to me. I'm about to get on this little thingy just because, like. So, can y'all see me as a business owner or no? I think that I could do this. Good morning, guys. We have to be downstairs to catch the bus to the fashion district by 8:45, and it is currently like 7, maybe 8 o'clock. So yeah. Good morning. Good morning. So we out here at the fashion district. Those are some of the ladies from the trip. I can't record inside of the stores, but there's just like multiple stores that you can get stuff from. Looking around, the first day I'm only going to write down places that I will come back to. I am not going to make the mistake of purchasing and using all my money at one store. Then I get all the way down there and I like another store. Video.
I can't even look at one video. I think I can. I only got one hand.
How do you really walk anyway?
I don't know, girl. I ain't got no rhythm. What I'm doing? Whoa. That, no. Wait. I said, and you can't feel it. Oh, Lord. Wait. Oprah. Come out, wherever you are.
Is it taking a picture? I don't know.
You're not hitting the right one.
I am hitting the right one.
It's a whole video.
Right. I'm gonna need you to get that. Oh my god.
We here. Oh, my phone.
10 hours later.
So neat.
No video. So yeah, we are out here in the fashion district. I'm here with Kanisha. She's also a boutique owner, and she's getting her some lip gloss for her thank you order. Saying, sis, get your own business, buy this stuff wholesale, get what you want out of there, sell the rest for the price that you're already paying. That's all I'm saying. It's worth it. I'm happy that we came to the fashion district. This is what I'm doing in LA. I bought a lot of stuff, and I know I'm probably gonna regret a little bit when I get home, but we'll figure it out, you know what I'm saying? All right, so the way that we're doing this, she really wants to get something. So the store, you have to spend $100 to get to actually be able to get an order. So with that being said, it's 2 of us. So we're basically I'm going to get some things, she's going to get some things, and we're going to make $100 out of that order. I want to get some necklaces, and we're about to rack up $50 worth of stuff. Let's do this. Yeah, this stuff is like the real deal. It's a little bit more expensive. These are cute. I really like this one.
She said, first of all, I'm sorry, love. Yes, exactly. Right. I still got 6 chicken nuggets in the room. I was absolutely eating. I was sick so bad, but I'm hungry.
You know, just something real quick before I go down here, because you know your girl gotta get cute for brunch. Anyway, something that I really wanted to let you guys know, I just made a Facebook status saying my boss babes appreciate my money handling skills and travel skills. So when I used to take my girls trips with my ladies, we do not keep on eating out. We have ate out a couple times, like for dinner here, but throughout the day, like I like to eat, okay? So I know I found some $5 tacos. I don't stop until I find what I'm looking for. I manifest as I'm walking, okay? When we first go down to the trip, I've learned to go to the store, get some fruit, get some cereal, get some things that can just be inside the room, get some snacks. Don't spend a whole bunch of money on food. It's not what the trip is about. Yes, we have to eat, but yes, I am pretty sure Wally World is everywhere. I finally got a hold of the boss babe that's supposed to be going with me down to the fashion district, and we're about to go out there for maybe just an hour and a half. We got a couple more dollars to spend. We want the experience for the most part, and I'm gonna tell you guys what it's like. I may pull out my camera. I did a before picture, so I'm definitely going to have to do an after picture, because you can't do a before and not have an after. I'm about to go downstairs. I just got done eating some cereal. Hold on, let me tell you, the cereal is also in a cup, okay? Because you get more cups inside of a pack than the bowls, and we were here for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and we needed to make it last, and we split the pack, we split the spoons. No need to sit there and spend all this money on stuff. Like, I like the lighting when I have this cup here, so maybe I'll just hold this cup here as I talk. I have really enjoyed this trip. I thank Jance for starting the boutique. We are the OGs. We the first one to do the boutique retreat. I believe she's going to do more, so you guys stay tuned. If you want to know, her YouTube name is Jance Charte. She's the bomb. She was like, yo, I just felt like more people needed to know about the fashion district. I want other people to know about the fashion district too. I feel exactly where she's coming from, and I thank her for bringing me on this trip. My idea was to just start a vlog of, like, you know, like living life or whatever, but this was my life-changing experience. The whole fashion district is going to make you not want to shop anywhere else anymore. You're going to want to get your own inventory. You're going to want to start your own business. I guarantee you. And when it's something that you don't have or whatever, you're going to meet so many amazing people along the journey that you're going to be able to go to their boutique and they're going to have stuff that you don't have, and you may want to support them because people are going to support you. It's all about networking and, you know, just getting in tune. Like, it's one thing leads to another. All I can say is get on the train, the boat, the airplane, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Get in the car, whatever you got to do. I just feel like you should just always follow what it is that you want to do. This is one for the books, and I'm writing it in my journal because I do have a journal. I like to mark stuff because it's fun to look back at it and see where I came out here sitting in the lobby. It is 5:35 in the morning. I don't know, I just be up. We about to go out here for the sample sale. Yeah, stay tuned because it's about to go down. more stuff. I don't know how I'm gonna fit this inside my luggage. Probably gonna have to ship it out because I caught too many good deals out here. Yeah. I see some more ladies out here. Y'all, this is where it's at. This is where it's at. You guys will never guess where we are. No more Nipseys Store. We are now at Santa Monica Pier. We have made it to the beach. Guys, I am so happy. I'm at the beach. I'm at the beach. I'm at the beach. I'm at the beach. We at the beach. Thank you. I feel like I'm going to learn my lesson about holding the camera this way and then holding the camera this way when I edit this video. Yep.
C'est comme ça, ma chérie, la 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 la. Francia, Colombia, me gusta. Freeze! Yeah. Everybody clap, 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 clap. Watch 'em. Oh. And we call this Wakanda.
Guys, my hair is up. I am getting in the water. Everybody's hands go up, and they stay there, and they stay there, and they stay there. Bro, I'm in L.A. She's in California. Angeles. California. I'm in A. I'm in O. I'm in A. Look at you. Guys, if I can tell you anything to do, I will always tell you to live your life. Be down for the adventures. Accept the unknown. Take those trips. Take the next step you're dying to know what it feels like, and live your life to the fullest. This was a very spontaneous trip for me. I watched Jance on YouTube, and I knew I wanted to go to the fashion district. When she took that leap of faith booking this trip, I hopped on it. I can tell you this was a life-changing experience for me. Two of the girls have been friends for 4 years through social media, and this trip was their very first time ever meeting in person. That's golden. Like, that is so golden. I learned a lot. I met a lot of amazing people chasing the same dreams as me, and I can say it motivated me 10 times more than before I left Columbus. I really enjoyed myself, and I officially can say that I've been to LA. And as I head back, I am going at it headstrong, and I'm giving it all I got. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I have so much in store for my channel, you guys. Peace and love.